How to create PDF file on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Select the photos that you want to include in your PDF file. Then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Share icon. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Choose the folder where you want to save the images, or create a new one. And then tap Save. Now, go back to your home screen and open up the Files app. Go to My iPhone and open the folder where you just saved the photos to. Press and hold the image file. In the menu that appears, tap Quick Actions and then select Create PDF. As you can see, the new PDF file you just created will be saved in the same folder. Open the file to view it. Following these steps, you can easily create a PDF file on your iPhone.